Oh, he smiled at me. Yeah. You are very.
Okay, so I'm going to be your first time spray painter, and I'm going to spray this curtain rod thing. So what could possibly go wrong? You helping me? Okay, I know you only come here for all these amazing renovation type things. I do, but what we're planning on doing is we are like custom making curtain rod thingies for the girls' room. So we bought from Bunnings a bit of pole and a bit of plumbing thing and another thing, and I had to get the labels off and sticky tape it, and then now I get the spray paint and I spray it. And the baby's crying, hang on. So James got really upset before because he was trying to grab the pole and then I took the pole away, so you know. And here comes Leah, my assistant, my ever faithful companion. I'm first time spray painter, so I'm gonna wear gloves, and I have no idea of what I'm doing, but hey, you can watch me learn and we can learn together, like a happy learning team.
Mommy, what is that?
It's a pole.
What's in the pole? Inside in the pole. Mommy, pick the pole.
And I'd say if you were like wondering about my ability to read instructions, I probably read maybe 35% and then I just go rogue and do my own thing. But we shake a can for like 1 minute and it said like don't stab the can or anything, and then have some sandpaper so I can scratch it off a bit and then spray and sweeping and it'd be perfect. I mean, I couldn't imagine there being any other result than perfection. Okay, so that was like 5 minutes and 30 seconds of my life gone. And I spray painted the thing. And did I do a fantabulous job? Let's say yes. Let's just say yes. So I'll show you the next stage. Now I just gotta remind all the kids not to touch it, and then we're gonna hang it up and it'll be awesome. And I hope the dogs, I forgot about the dogs. Leah's yelling at them to get out of the garden bed.
Get out of there. Over there. Sit over there. Get out. What?
another day, another wrapping session. So I used to buy little gift cards for people, and that I just don't need that. I need a Sharpie. I write the person's name on the Christmas present. If it's a birthday present and I'm wrapping them at the same time, because I have December birthdays, I'll write the person's name and I'll draw a little balloon with their age inside the balloon. That's how I keep track. I don't know if I previously mentioned this, but my main sewing machine that I like quilting with is still in the shop being fixed. So this quilt may be postponed until I can do it properly, but in the meantime, when I have some time, I can work away on the back. So we will see. I'm sure I will show you all when I have finished the quilt. And just like that, 1 hour is up. So what did I achieve? I wrapped presents, I watched Bones, and I made 2 blocks for the back of the quilt, and I thought about 1,000 things. So now I switch gears again and I go upstairs and continue with my day. I've got the iPad for the recipe now, so we'll look it up. Confetti squares recipe. I always type in confetti squares recipe in case it gives me like actual squares of confetti. Like, I don't know, on the interwebs, you never know. But absolutely don't need big pieces or you make yourself feel sick, but little pieces chilled in the fridge make you feel like a touch of heaven. I should add that this recipe does freeze really well, like Sarah just said. So you can make it and then put it in the deep freezer and freeze it and then just get one out and delicious. I nearly didn't say goodbye to you again, so goodbye to you again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.